And if you see a pop-up means, do you see any pop-up on your
Yes, I see the
means
pop-up.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, I got it that
Okay?
time. Yeah, I clicked on OK.
And now we got connected with our technician Janice right now. So just type your name, your first name and your last name, and send it to her.
Hang on. Yep.
And then you just type your email address and your phone number.
Okay. And my, you want my home phone?
Yep, your phone number also. And then you just explain about your problem you're facing on your computer. You just explain that to her. Just type the problem, and thereafter she will help you in it, okay?
Okay.
And like that, you just continuously chat with our technician Janice, and
Okay.
she will guide you in this, okay? Thank you then.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Have a nice day. Bye.
Okay, well, it's a scammer on the phone is a different one. The one in chat, the one on the phone's hung up. So now I'm just have this one in the chat, and I'm just going to see what they do to someone who has an Indian name. If they will scam me, which I'm guessing they will. The pop-up I'm using is not for these actual scammers. The scammers that I've called was a US number, so it's +1, then it's 800-817-9167, so it's different than what will be on the pop-up. But I've got to give them something to play with so that they believe me. Oh, they're not even going to look at the pop-up. But this is a bad viewer that they're showing. It'll have a lot of errors and warnings, and that's all completely normal. And in fact, I would expect most people would have a lot more errors and warnings than what will show up on this virtual machine, because I don't use this virtual machine too often. I think it's only got 217 is the number of events. Depending on how long you've been using your computer, obviously the longer you've used your computer without reformatting or reinstalling Windows, the more events you'll have. Possibly in the thousands or even tens of thousands is, can be normal. That's all normal. So yeah, these are definitely scammers. I just when I talk to them, I just go agree with everything they say. Otherwise, they'll know I'm scam baiting. But because they can't hear me, I can tell you that it's just a load of bullshit and lies. And the fact that she or he, who knows whether Janice is male or female, yeah, they're trying to scam me, even though I've given an Indian name. So yeah, I've sort of made this video. I've tried before with an Indian name, and they usually try and scam you, or they'll either that or they don't believe that I've got an Indian name because of my accent. I'll just agree with them. And yeah, even more lies. Everything she says, he says, is a lie. And she's having a look at my IP address. It's actually that is my true IP address. I've called the US number, but I'm in Australia. But they normally don't notice these things. They're not very smart. One thing I recommend is, if you don't use a VPN, is to reset your modem or in some way change your IP address after you've scam baited. That'll use a VPN if you want. Let's type some rubbish in just to see how stupid they are. You just have a lot of rubbish and lies. Okay, I'm going to the cheapest option. Let's see how cheap it is. I might have to ring him up a second time and find out what the normal cost is. Oh my god. If that's the cheapest option, I'd hate to see the dearest. That seems like a pretty normal price. That's what they normally charge. So you don't get a discount for having an Indian name and having poor parents living in India. It does not help. Not for these scammers anyway. And just to confirm this person's from India, I typed a swear word, Terry Mucky cheat. They've gone to sys key, so I think that more than proves that they're in India. So I'm going to speak Hindi. It's already been sys keyed, so but what we do is we let them sys key it, and it's already been sys keyed. And then what I can do is I can disconnect them. Yep, I've disconnected them. So it says they're connected, but they shouldn't be. Okay, yeah, there we go. And it'll be interesting to see if this today's the 21st. Tamil, which is another language spoken in India there.